Hey y'all good folks, Mama Kesha here, getting ready to show y'all how I make my shake in the morning. Everybody can make their shake a different way. You can put, whatever you want to put in it. I just choose to put my fruit in it, but you can actually just do it with juice or milk. It already has milk in it, so you can actually just add water and go if you are a person that's on the go. All right, so let me show you. I pretty much start out with my ice cubes. I like my ice cubes. And I have some mango strawberry chunks that I got out of the freezer. Um, I'm a South Florida girl. I love mangoes. And also I have my blackberries. So I'm going to put probably just about 3 blackberries in there to give me some berry antioxidant taste to it. Then now I'm going to do my jump core mix, and I'm going to do the V Pro. I do 1 scoop of each. I like the V Pro because it has more amino acids, enzymes, pumpkin seed. Has a lot of good stuff in it. So I just do 1 scoop of each, but the jump core is the most popular one, and it has enough vitamins and nutrients in it if you just want to start out with a jump core, or if you're vegan or veganish. The jump core has all your vitamins, iron, vitamin E, biotin. Biotin, ladies, it makes our hair pretty, skin. All of that has the zinc. All the minerals that we need. We're mineral-based humans, and we need to have all our minerals in our body, and we don't get that from the fast foods that we eat. So definitely, this is a good shake that tastes good. It tastes like cake to start your morning out with, and it's good gut health. Most of your illnesses and diseases start in the gut, so you want to give your morning a good start with this. Okay, I've showed you guys before, but maybe not a little more detail, so I'm actually showing you. So this is my favorite cranberry pomegranate because it has a lot of potassium in it. Okay, we need that potassium. All right, and then I like my almond breeze. I like the one that is unsweetened, that does have too much additives there. And this here is my Ninja cup here. Just screw this on. And like I say, if you have any type of other vitamin supplement, herbal supplement, sometimes I put my happy bedroom sex capsules, I open them up and put them in here, you know what I mean, and make it a nice, healthy, tight, and right shake as well. Okay, because Mama Kesha got to keep it sexy, happy, and healthy. So here we go. So, yeah, so it took a little longer to blend it up. I don't know why this morning. But I usually like to make sure it's blended up pretty good. And then I have my metal straw. I love my metal straws, you guys. I'm late to the club or whatever with these metal straws. So good. So you guys don't know what you're missing out on. See, it's so good I can barely talk. It's so good and thick. Yes, good and thick, baby. If you do 2 of these a day, you will lose weight. Just 1 in the morning. It's just good for gut health. It's good for overall health. These shakes you can make mud cakes. You can make pancakes. You can do so many different things with them. I'm gonna try to see if I can come back with you guys and show some more recipes, but we have a very nice Jump to Health community that shows you how to make recipes, keto based recipes, healthy recipes for diabetics, whatever your health issues. We have different type of meal plans and products to help you. So check us out. All right, see you later. See you at the top. Bye-bye.